Hello, my name is Brendan Rowland from Fenwick School in Oamaru. I am in Category 2. I want to talk about tides. I understood that the moon goes around the earth once a day and that the moon's gravity pulls the water of the oceans. I wanted to know why the time of the tides changes each day and why there are 2 tides a day. To help me, I read a book by Sir Patrick Moore called On the Moon. The reason that the times of the tides change is that the moon takes 50 minutes more each day to get to the same place in the sky that it was the night before. This is because the moon's orbit is in the same direction as the Earth's spin. To explain why there are 2 tides a day is a bit more difficult. It is necessary to understand something about the force which causes the Earth and moon to orbit each other. This force is called gravity. The amount of gravitational pull something has depends on its mass. Objects twice the mass will be pulled together with twice the gravity. Gravity gets weaker very quickly the further apart things get. Objects twice as far apart will only pull together with a quarter of the gravity. If I fill a bucket of water and move it in one direction, the water gets deeper at the side opposite to the way the bucket is moving. This is similar to why the water gets deeper at the side of the Earth opposite to the moon. Unlike the bucket, the water also gets deeper below the moon because it is much easier for the liquid water to move than it is for solid Earth to move. The tides are made more complicated because the Earth is spinning. Just like water in a bucket, the water doesn't move straight away in the direction it is pulled, so the tides are a bit behind the moon. Other things which affect the tides are the distance of the moon from the Earth, how close the moon is to being level with the equator, and the shape and depth of the ocean floor. The sun also pulls on the Earth. The sun has tens of millions of more times more mass than the moon, but it is about 389 times further away. The sun has 46% of effect of the moon on the tides. When the sun and moon are in line, either at the same side or at opposite sides of the Earth, the tides are higher. These are called spring tides. When the sun and moon are at right angles with each other, the tides are lowest. These are called neap tides. This cycle of spring and neap tides happens about every 2 weeks. All other planets, even when they come into a line with each other, have no real effect on the tides of the oceans because they have too little mass for the distance they are away. There are many other examples of tides, some which affect the stars and galaxies. I hope that understanding a bit about Earth's tides will one day help me understand those tides too. I hope you now have a better idea of how the tides of the oceans work, as I have after reading about this topic. My name is Brendan Rowland from Fenwick School in Oamaru. I am in Category 2.